We spend a lot of time pressing away at our keyboards, whether it's emails, essays, or even pub stomping on Apex Legends. But that does create a lot of strain on our wrists and hands that can lead to more serious problems down the line. Hey there, I'm Sarah from Thermaltake Australia, and isn't it about time you threw away that $5 keyboard from the discount store straight into the trash and got yourself something that will help maintain optimum hand and wrist health going forward? Because if you're picking up what I'm putting down, then you need to check out the Thermaltake Argent K6 Low-Profile Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. The Argent K6 is 454mm long, 157mm wide, and 37.6mm deep. The key to comfort in our Argent K6 is without a doubt the low-profile design of its keycaps. Both silver and red key switch options have a 35% lower height, helping maintain a balanced typing feel and ensuring optimal reaction time in games. This lower height also provides a shorter stroke trigger, allowing faster speeds than standard mechanical keyboards. The Argent K6 also features an asymmetrical curved design, coupled with an aluminium top plate and floating keycap construction. These features all ensure your hands are always in a comfortable position, as well as making your keyboard look gorgeous too. Lastly, the Argent K6 comes with a detachable magnetic wrist rest. Now this is made with a gentle synthetic leather and best of all, helps keep your wrist and hand ergonomics in check. Now we can't go any further without stopping to talk about that gorgeous RGB. With 16.8 million RGB color illumination and multiple lighting effects, this is a keyboard that looks as good as it performs. The K6 can provide you with the brightest visibility and eye-catching styles for your gaming sessions, or a more muted professional look for all your important Zoom meetings. This can all be controlled either through the Thermaltake RGB Plus or iTake software. The Argent K6 also has a bunch of cool extra features that really take this keyboard to the next level. For starters, it comes with this gorgeous aluminium rotatable control knob. This is not only a volume wheel, but it's also a controller for functions like switching between web pages. Through our iTake engine software, you can also customize its functionality even more. Additionally, the Argent K6 comes with dedicated multimedia controls, allowing you to easily switch your music or videos on the fly. Finally, the keyboard also features an audio and USB pass-through port, allowing for convenient access for an additional USB device or a 3.5mm audio jack if you're finding your PC a bit low on ports. With its low-profile keycaps and an ergonomic design, the Argent K6 RGB low-profile gaming keyboard helps prevent prolonged wrist and hand strain so you can stay in the game. Also coming with a plethora of incredible innovative features, this is a keyboard that performs at its best, so that you can too. Thank you so much for watching the video! If you did enjoy it, remember to leave it a like and pop any thoughts or questions you may have in the comment section down below. Subscribe to the Thermaltake Australia and New Zealand YouTube channel if you haven't already, and ding that bell to be notified every time we upload. And before you click away, why not check out either of these Thermaltake videos floating around me, and we'll see you in the next one. Farewell! Yeah!